In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer copyright in PrestaShop. Whether you're a seasoned PrestaShop user or just starting out, editing the footer copyright is a straightforward process that enhances your online store's professionalism. Let's dive in and make those changes efficiently in just a few simple steps. To kick things off, you'll need to be logged into your PrestaShop back-office dashboard. This is essentially the hub for managing your online store, so you're in the right place to begin. Once you're on the dashboard, your first goal is to locate the Settings tab. It's commonly found towards the bottom of the page and acts as a gateway to a myriad of customization and settings options available for your store. Consider it your control center for all things PrestaShop. In the Settings section, you're going to want to zoom in on the international area. This is a crucial spot because it allows you to modify various language and translation settings, which is central to what we aim to accomplish in the next few moments. Think of it like setting the stage for your store's global appeal. Once you're nestled within the international section, search for the translations option. This feature is incredibly valuable as it unlocks the ability to modify the text displayed on your website in numerous languages, showcasing the robust translation capabilities PrestaShop has on offer. It's essentially the gateway to ensuring your store resonates with your audience, no matter their language. Now, let's focus on the section named Modify Translations. This is where the magic truly begins. Inside, you'll see a few options laid out for you. Under Type of Translation, be sure to choose Front Office Translation. This is a pivotal choice because it indicates that we want to change text visible to customers browsing your website. When you make this selection, also select English as your working language to keep things straightforward for our current task. With your options nicely set, click Modify to proceed. This is the exciting part where you'll access a variety of text strings that are available for editing on your site. Utilize the search bar and type in copyright. This step is about pinpointing exactly where this text resides within your website's translations. After typing it in, hit that search button, letting it do the work. In a blink, you'll see a list of results appear. Your mission is to identify the specific copyright text located in your store's footer. Click on it to initiate the editing process. Here's your moment to get creative. Enter any custom text that you'd like to display as your copyright information. This could be your business name, along with the current year, or a unique message you wish to convey to your audience. Once you're content with the text, saving your changes is crucial. This ensures your modifications are locked in place and not lost. Finally, navigate back to your store's main page and refresh the website. This refresh will reveal your changes live, offering you the satisfaction of witnessing your updated store footer. And voila! You've successfully edited the footer copyright on your PrestaShop site, contributing to a polished appearance and delivering clear messaging to your visitors. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy customizing your store with PrestaShop.